you have to identify lateral malleolus and medial malleolus. Saan ang lateral malleolus? Ano sa Tagalog ang malleolus?
Hindi ko po alam.
You alam, you don't have no idea. I don't think you can even pronounce it. Bukong-bukong. Yung kagaya, kasi some patients will have to complain they're having edema or having pains in the ankle. And they will point it out. Masakit po yung bukong-bukong po.
Anong sasabihin natin when we go down there? And what do we have to say every time we have to locate things? No negative or no swelling, no edema?
Either you can use both. You can use for negative or no. Either way. So, this ankle joint and foot, may walking naman pala to. So, to identify yung dorsiflexion at plantar flexion. So, pwede yung patient mo nakaganito. Or, actually, pwede mo gawin ng ganyan. It's easier way to do it. You have to test for muscle strength. So, joint strength. So, dorsiflex, tapos identify pedal deformity. So, doon sa pedal abnormalities, sabihin nyo na may Gino-Varu, kasi doon sa checklist, meron kasi doon alagay kung meron o wala. So, you have to state na there is no Gino-Varu.
No Gino-Varu.
Separate yung item na yung sabihin yung paan, papasok. Kaya kasi sakang.
Sabi mo,
pag sakang paloob, pag ano, diba?
Sakang yung parang cowboy. Cowboy.
Papalang pabukata.
Pike yung naka-knock-knees. Diba? Knock-knees.
knock-knees saka. Okay.
Hindi, ang pike yung knock-knees. Yung sakang, yung parang bulag.
Sakang. And like this,
Hindi
no?
ba yung joke kung alam pag sakang yung hapon, di ba? You heard that? Okay, parang cowboy. Parang itong cowboy. Maglakad. Describe the toes. So you have to look at the toes. If there are any toe abnormalities, like kung meron siyang mga nodules, kulang ang toes, may patient there are only 4 toes in the left foot. So you have to say that.
Kasi po ba, Dok, tatanungin po namin kung bakit, kung ano po nangyari sa ngayon po. Basta yung ano lang. Kasi
So wala kang tatanungin history. Hindi ako. So, saka isa pa, you have only 10 minutes to do the exam. Yeah, you have 10 minutes to do the exam of the extremities. So, you can complete yung extremity exam in 10 minutes. Kaya siya. So, huwag ka lang magbabaka. O kaya huwag ka lang